Hi, kids. It's me, Momolu. Today, we're going to paint with colors. Tuku, the artist, is going to help. Let's begin with what we call the primary colors. Red, yellow, and blue. Let's get started. Red. Yellow. Blue. Very good, Tuku. The primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, are the source of every other color. By mixing them together, you get what is called a secondary color. Tuku? Red and yellow make orange. Orange. Blue and red make purple.
Ta-da!
Purple. Well done, Tuku. But haven't you forgotten a color?
What?
Your favorite color? That's right. Yellow and blue make green. Green. We hope you had fun painting with colors. See you next time.
Bye!